Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to boomerang on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other tutorials. So the first thing that we're going to do today to learn how to boomerang on Instagram is we're going to log into our Instagram account and we're going to go into the app. Once you're in the app, you can slide to the right and you'll see you have a bunch of options right here at the bottom. You're going to slide over till it says Boomerang. Then you'll notice if I press Boomerang and hold, that boomerangs. The only problem there is that I did not actually move the camera. So a boomerang is basically a looped video. So what we're going to want to do is move. So we're going to hit the X at the top left, and now what we're going to do is just a simple left to right while I'm holding that down. Tap anywhere on the screen to focus, and then let's try it. So now you'll see movement. Once you're happy with what you're trying to boomerang, you can hit the send to. You can send it to friends, family, or you can hit share at the top right to share it to your story, or share below it for your close friends only list. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk.